We are back. How the heck did we ended up on YouTube? And where are we going in 2025? If you're new here, my name is Mike. This is Two Brother Adventures. We post weekly videos of our outdoor adventures with our two toddler boys, Mason and Owen. So for the past month or so, we took a little bit of a break from YouTube. We were super busy with the holidays. We hosted both my side and my wife's side for Christmas. And then we unfortunately had to put our one dog down. He was just getting older and having seizures, so unfortunately we had to put him down, which really sucked. That was probably one of the worst decisions that we had to make. It's been a couple weeks now, we're moving on and we're getting back into things. So how do we end up on YouTube? So back at the end of 2023, I saw someone post an Instagram reel where they decided to do one outdoor adventure with their kids every month, and they had a reel of each month going through. I thought that was really cool. So in beginning of 2024, I started that trend as well, with the goal of doing one outdoor adventure with our kids throughout the entire year. And in doing so, I started making some Instagram reels, posting them on my personal page, and I got a lot of really good feedback from people watching those reels, asking questions about it. And around that same time, I discovered one of our now favorite YouTube channels, The Outdoor Boys. The guy who started that, his name is Luke, and he posts a bunch of crazy videos of him doing these outdoor adventures, mostly in Alaska, with his two toddler boys, and he is getting millions upon millions of views. So I thought, hey, there must be a demand or a need for this type of content. So I decided to go ahead and start our YouTube channel. I think we posted our first video back in June. I originally set out the goal to post 4 videos a week, which I ended up doing okay with, but started to trail off towards the end of the year here. Our main goal is just have fun with it and see where things go. So that's how we ended up on YouTube here. So what are our goals for 2025? This year, my wife and I, we sat down and we each set goals for the van, kind of what we're gonna do with this YouTube channel, as well as my personal life. So with the van, we set out to camp in 12 states throughout the next 12 months in 2025. So our goal throughout the whole entire year is to camp at 12 different states. Really wanted to do 20 states in 2025. I thought that just sounded a little bit cooler. But with work full-time and school with the boys, I feel like 12 is a little bit more attainable, where it's not feel like rushed, forced, and we can get to enjoy each camping trip. Our goal of 12 states in 12 months, we bought one of the big, huge calendars called the big calendar to help us plan out where we're going to camp in 12 different states. So we don't have it exactly all figured out. We don't have this calendar completely finalized, but in the month of January, I'm going to do my first solo trip to Vermont to go snowboarding. And then in February, we are going on a cruise out of the port in Miami. So the boys and I are going to drive from Delaware down to Georgia, pick up Mandy at Georgia, and then we're going to continue all the way down. So we'll have a couple states on the way down there and the way back. And then one big trip that we're going to do in August is we're going to do a road trip up to Maine in the van. So that'll be a good portion of our 12 states in 12 months, and then we have a couple more to figure out to get to our goal of 12 states in 12 months. So with YouTube, my goal for 2025 is to post 3 videos per month. Last year, I really wanted to shoot for 1 video per month, but I feel like it wasn't really attainable with travel, school, work, and all that stuff. So I think 3 per month is actually a realistic goal where I can help spend more time on editing videos, preparing for the videos, and filming the videos so I can provide better content for you guys that are watching. And then my personal goal for 2025 is to run a marathon. Something that I've been wanting to do for probably 10-15 years now. A couple years back, right around COVID time, I started to train for a marathon, and then ended up getting an injury towards the later part of training. So ended up having to stop that training block. But it's something that has been on my bucket list for a while now, and I'm finally going to pick a race here soon and start training, and I'm going to stick with it for 2025. That is a quick version of how we got here, where we've been, and where we are going in 2025. We hope to bring you guys along with it for most of it and continue sharing our experiences with our storyteller. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.